There's never a bad time to begin paying down high-interest credit card debt. But if gift-giving, nights out, travel, and other holiday activities pushed your budget past its usual limit, the new year might bring even more reason to get started. Today, some credit cards offer 0% APR on transferred balances for up to 15, 18, or 21 months. That means you can work to pay down your debt without taking on more interest for more than a year, or nearly 2 in some cases. Beyond the intro period, many of these cards also have great ongoing rewards and benefits to help you save and maintain good credit long-term, even after your balances are paid. Number 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is another cashback credit card with a competitive introductory 0% APR period on both balance transfers and new purchases. You'll have 15 months before interest kicks in, with an ongoing variable APR of 20.49% to 29.24% when the intro period ends. There's a 3% fee, $5 minimum, for balances you transfer within 60 days of account opening. After that, the fee goes up to 5%, $5 minimum. Like the other cashback cards on this list, you can still get plenty of value from the Chase Freedom Unlimited after the introductory period ends. You'll earn 5% cash back on Chase Travel SM purchases, 3% back on dining and at drugstores, and 1.5% back on everything else. This card can make a great choice if you already have a Chase card too. You can use the rewards you earn to book travel through Chase Travel, and even combine them with other Chase cards that may get added multipliers on travel redemptions, like the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Given the Chase Freedom Unlimited's high ongoing APR, though, it's important to make sure you don't fall into old habits of racking up revolving balances. One of this card's best features is its first-year welcome offer, for example. But if you're not able to pay down your debt balance quickly enough to take advantage of it, or you're worried it'll encourage overspending that could lead you back into debt, you may want to consider another card. Number 2. Blue Cash. Everyday Card from American Express. The Blue Cash Everyday from American Express is one of our favorite cashback credit cards today. It can also be a helpful tool for paying down existing credit card debt. The card's introductory 0% APR on balance transfers lasts for 15 months after account opening, with a variable APR of 20.24% to 29.24% thereafter. See rates and fees. The balance transfer fee is 3%, 5 minimum, of the amount you transfer. But the Blue Cash Everyday shines for its long-term savings once you've paid off your existing debt. You'll earn 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, U.S. gas stations, and on U.S. online retail purchases, each up to $6,000 spent per year, then 1% back and 1% cash back on everything else. Plus, annual benefits can help you save even if you don't want to charge many new purchases to your card during the promotional period. You can get $7 in monthly statement credits, up to $84 annually, with enrollment, when you spend at least $9.99 on an auto-renewing Disney Bundle subscription. 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. 3% cash back on U.S. online retail purchases, on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%, 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1% cash back on all other purchases. Cashback is received in the form of reward dollars that can be redeemed as a statement credit, or on Amazon.com at checkout. Number 3. Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card is our overall pick for anyone looking to pay down debt with a balance transfer. With a long 0% APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months, 18.24% to 28.24% variable APR after that, it's an excellent option for debt payoff. You'll pay a 3% balance transfer fee, $5 minimum, for each balance you transfer within the first 4 months of account opening, which increases to 5%, $5 minimum, after 4 months. Throughout the extended intro period, you can make major progress on existing balances, or even commit to paying the amount you transfer in full. There's plenty to like about this card after you pay down your balance too. You'll earn up to 2% on every purchase you make with the Citi Double Cash, 1% when you make the purchase, and 1% when you pay it off. That reward structure may even add some incentive to avoid carrying a balance once you've paid down your debt, since you won't earn the total cash rewards until you pay in full. Unlike other balance transfer credit cards, the Citi Double Cash card does not offer an introductory 0% APR on new purchases, the only detail that kept it from a perfect score in our methodology. However, if you're planning to use this card primarily to pay down debt, and then for its cashback benefits after the intro period, we don't think that holds this card back from being a top choice of money. Number 5. Discover It. Cashback. Discover It. Cashback similarly offers great ongoing rewards alongside a useful 0% APR. It has an introductory 0% APR period for 15 months after account opening for new purchases and balance transfers as long as you make your transfer within a given time period. The ongoing variable, APR after the intro period is 18.24% to 27.24%. And there's a standard balance transfer fee that's in line with other balance transfer credit cards. The Discover It Cashback also has great long-term value with revolving 5% cashback rewards categories. You'll earn 5% back on the first $1,500 spent across the revolving categories, which may include grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, streaming services, and more, each quarter when you activate, and 1% on everything else. Number 6. Bank AmeriCard. Credit Card. Bank AmeriCard has a solid combination of long introductory 0% APR and relatively low ongoing APR, which can be great for people solely focused on debt payoff. The introductory period for balance transfers is 18 billing cycles and applies to balances you transfer within 60 days of account opening. The same 0% APR intro period applies for new purchases. After that, you'll pay a variable 15.24% to 25.24% APR on any remaining balance. While that can easily add up over time, it's significantly less than you'll find from many credit cards today. There's an introductory balance transfer fee of 3% for the first 60 days, then it goes up to 4%. There's also no penalty APR. While you should always pay on time, especially while carrying a balance, paying late or having a payment returned won't automatically increase your Bank AmeriCard APR. Number 7. Wells Fargo Reflect Card. The Wells Fargo Reflect Card is an excellent choice for balance transfers primarily because of its extraordinarily long 0% APR offer of 21 months. This feature allows cardholders to transfer existing balances and enjoy a prolonged period without incurring interest, providing ample time for debt management and reduction. The 5% balance transfer fee needs to be considered, but for many, the benefit of the extended interest-free period outweighs this cost. This card is particularly advantageous for those who anticipate needing more time to pay off their balances and want to avoid the rapid accumulation of interest charges. Number 8. U.S. Bank Visa Platinum Card. The U.S. Bank Visa Platinum Card also has one of today's longest intro periods, with an introductory 0% APR for 21 billing cycles. That intro offer applies to new purchases and to balance transfers made within 60 days of account opening. After that, your remaining balances will earn a variable 17.74% to 28.74% APR. In exchange for the long intro period, you'll again earn no rewards and pay a slightly higher balance transfer fee than other cards on our list. 5% of your transferred balance or $5, whichever is greater. Number 9. Citi Simplicity Card. The primary appeal of the Citi Simplicity Card for balance transfers lies in its extended 0% APR offer, lasting an impressive 21 months. This length of time is one of the longest available, providing cardholders with a substantial period to manage and pay off transferred balances without accruing interest. The 0% APR offer for 12 months on purchases also adds flexibility, allowing cardholders to make new purchases without immediate interest concerns. While the card does not offer cashback rewards or a welcome bonus, its strength is its simplicity and the potential for significant interest savings. The balance transfer fee of $5 or 3%, whichever is greater, is a standard rate and should be considered when evaluating the overall benefit of transferring balances to this card. The Citi Simplicity card is particularly well-suited for those prioritizing a lengthy interest-free period for their balance transfer needs, offering a straightforward and cost-effective approach to managing debt. How do balance transfer credit cards work? Not only is credit card interest expensive, but it's as high as it's ever been. Today's average credit card interest rate is over 21%, higher than at any other point since the Federal Reserve began tracking rates in the 1990s. For those who carry a balance on their card, the average is more than 23%. Credit cards with 0% APR on balance transfers can offer significant savings compared to standard double-digit interest rates. Maximize your balance transfer savings by paying your balance in full before the intro period ends. If you can't pay the balance within the 0% APR period, you can still shave months and potentially thousands of dollars from your debt payoff. Your total savings will depend on a few details, including the length of your intro period and how much you can pay each month. Let's say you have a credit card balance of $5,500 today, just below the average balance for U.S. households with credit card debt, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis.